Driving a manual with flip-flops. Feels pretty weird.
A little later.
Quarter Celtic.
Isn't it Celtic?
Probably. I don't speak Irish.
Oh.
Speaking of Irish, in your boutonniere, I'm putting some kind of Irish greenery, and in mine I'm putting an Italian rustico.
What's a rustico?
It's a greenery.
Oh.
Oh, that's what it's called. Because you're Irish and I'm Italian.
Also, half Mexican.
What do you want me to put in your bouquet? Tacos? Or just your boutonniere? We'll do a little...
We're eating enchiladas, so that's pretty.
And we're doing green chili Alfredo, so...
Now we just wait for him to come, I guess.
Eternal.